found yourself standing outside your GMC, clicking your key fob and getting absolutely no response? It is a frustrating moment for any driver. Modern GMC key fobs are more than just convenience. They're essential for your vehicle's security and remote access features. Over time, buttons wear out, batteries die, or the internal circuitry fails, leaving you unable to access or start your car easily. When your remote stops working, you might wonder if you can fix it yourself or if it is time to call in the experts. For some older GMC models, you can actually program the remote yourself using a specific sequence of ignition turns and button presses. Usually, this involves closing all doors, holding the unlock button, and cycling the ignition from off to on several times. While DIY sounds great, one wrong step can sometimes lead to lockout issues or system errors that require professional resets. Newer GMC models use high-level encryption and rolling codes, making them nearly impossible to program without specialized tools. This is where professional locksmith service becomes invaluable, saving you hours of trial and error and potential frustration. At Sure Lock and Key, we understand that your time is precious, so we prioritize speed without ever compromising on quality. Our technicians are trained to handle all types of GMC remotes, from classic keys to the latest keyless entry smart fobs. You do not need to worry about towing your vehicle to a dealership. We bring the programming equipment directly to your location. Choosing a specialized locksmith is often much more affordable than the high markups you will find at a traditional car dealership. We do not just program keys. We also offer battery replacements, shell repairs, and complete key cutting services on the spot. Every service includes a thorough verification process to ensure your new fob works perfectly with your GMC's unique security system. Rest easy knowing your vehicle is secure and your remote access is fully restored by professionals who care about your safety. Our goal is to get you back on the road with a smile, providing a seamless experience from the moment you call us. Thousands of GMC owners have trusted us with their key fob needs, and we take pride in every successful programming job we complete. Whether you drive a Sierra, a Yukon, or an Acadia, we have the tools and expertise to handle your specific model's requirements. Do not let a faulty key fob ruin your day. Reach out to Sure Lock and Key for fast, professional GMC key fob programming today.